from Riverview Animal Clinic. We're going to talk today about some common toxins exposures that we see, especially some of the seasonal things that are associated with springtime. One of the other springtime poisons that we deal with is antifreeze. Most people are aware that antifreeze is toxic to dogs and cats, and people tend to think of it more as a fall, early winter problem when people are changing out the antifreeze in their cars for the cold weather. But a lot of people do change them in the springtime. Most antifreeze is a coolant as well, and so people who have long vacation trips planned in hot weather will a lot of times flush their cooling systems. And it's a very sweet compound. Dogs and cats will drink it readily, and it is very, very toxic, especially the cats. Only a few sips, can be fatal. It is another thing where avoidance is critical. They will drink it. It doesn't take very much, and by the time they're showing clinical signs, even though there's an antidote, the likelihood of recovery is very, very poor, severely toxic to the kidneys, and you really need to be aware that if you spill even a small amount, it needs to be cleaned up immediately. Probably the only patients that we see that survive it are patients where the owner actually sees them ingest it and seeks treatment immediately. Sometimes then treatment is successful. Other than that, it's a really long shot and it's very expensive and normally has a very poor outcome.